Montana Cudu is a beautiful spotted corn descended from a sacred and historic Native American variety. Ed Schultz, a renowned corn breeder from Bozeman, Montana, worked for years to create this blended corn as a tribute to Cude, or Cudu corn, a native variety used for ritual purposes. Schultz is the high plains grower behind such other beautiful and early maturing corns as Atomic Orange and the Papa's corn varieties. In 1958, the Oscar Will Seed Company of Bismarck, North Dakota donated a sample of Cudu seeds to the USDA Seed Bank. In the late 19th century, the company cultivated relationships with Native American agriculturalists and began acquiring some traditional varieties for sale. Among them was Cudu, which Will offered from 1932 to 1941. The Navajo people called the variety Cude and regarded it as sacred. But in his book, Corn Among the Indians of the Upper Missouri, Oscar Will's son George notes that they were not the only native tribe to grow it. According to tradition, Will wrote, the Skedi Pawnee people also raised the variety in early times, calling it Lexoconcatit, or black-eyed corn. Will describes it as a white flower corn with a purple cap or dot on each kernel. Very odd. And he noted that the variety was drought-resistant and produced large, lightweight ears. Ed Schultz acquired some of the seeds that the Will Company gave to the USDA. But the ears he grew from it turned out stunted and short, and the signature blue eagle markings on the kernels were faded. That led him to believe that the donated seeds might have been accidentally crossed or inbred. So Schultz set about reviving Cudu's striking shape and color and adapting it to his northern growing region. He crossed the original Cudu sample with a small percentage of his Papa's white corn. The eventual result? Long, slender ears and beautiful blue-spotted kernels. This historic and culturally significant corn has incredible culinary potential, making for a nutty, earthy cornmeal, and it's sure to find a prominent place in historic and educational gardens.